If you're searching for a wardrobe that perfectly blends modern style with practical organization, the IRONCK Armoire wardrobe with drawers for clothing is a serious contender. Current models retail at around $209.99, making it a strong value for the amount of storage and quality materials you get. Standing at 71 inches tall, this armoire comes with a unique combination of full wide, deep drawers for trousers, underwear, or accessories, plus a dedicated hanging rack for your daily clothes, giving you plenty of ways to keep everything fancy or functional within easy reach. One of the standout features is the sliding barn doors. These not only save on space but also add a distinct rustic vibe to any bedroom or living area. The wardrobe's interior design is thoughtfully laid out, with extra compartments for ornaments, books, or even shoes, plus adjustable shelves to customize the fit. The build relies on high-quality MDF, combining solidity with elegant color block finishes in white maple and red walnut. Assembly is made simple, with each piece labeled and clear instructions, so you can get everything set up without a headache. Reliable metal slides guarantee that drawers glide smoothly, and 2 long white medals included in the kit can be installed on either side for added safety against toppling. Customers consistently praise the IRONCK for sturdy construction and versatility. While reviews are just starting to roll in for newer models, the initial feedback focuses on ample space, smooth operation, and how sleek it looks in nearly any room. Plus, the modern farmhouse design really feels cozy and practical at the same time. So if you want a wardrobe with flexible storage and stylish charm, the IRONCK Armoire wardrobe with drawers for clothing is definitely worth a look. We share by links in the description box for easy access, so check there to score this versatile piece for your home.